So recently I made this project called Cursed Flappy Bird and 132 views. Wow. And we got a lot of submissions, more Cursed Flappy Bird games. Today we're gonna watch these Cursed remixes of my Cursed remix of Flappy Bird. Let's get started. So first of all, we have this Cursed Flappy Bird. This looks weird. My name's Jellybean. Let's see. Okay, it is not working. That is pretty cool. Now I can play this. Okay. Okay, a worse version of my game, but not that impressively cursed. Here we go, the next one. This is by the Cletus. Let's see. This is not the same game, I don't know. Wow. This is a creation of art. This is what a cursed game looks like. Okay, the Flappy Bird is drunk. Brilliant. Brilliant remix. We have some really cool graphics you can see here. This is really looking cool. Then we have this fanjoabird.exe by Minecraft OV Kozak. So this is looking like made for me or something. Fanjoa bird. Everything is Fanjoa here. Okay, this is the Fanjoa bird. We should have Fanjoa sound effects like let's say Fanjoa or something. Wow, magic. Wow, I'm just winning. That is pretty crazy. 15 out of 10 because this is Fanjoa Bird and Fanjoa is just too good. Then we have this Cursed Flappy Bird remix. Cursed Flappy Bird remix by Rocky X. Okay, simple color changes. Not that amazing. It's looking good, which is bad. Okay, not looking good. 3 out of 10? We can say 3 out of 10. That is not much cursed. The title is looking good, which should not be there. This is like my cursed project review or something. Let's see next one. Cursed Flappy Bird remix by, you can just see this username, 2010 memes. Okay, A to start. Oh! This is not cursed, this is weird. Every game here has the same vibe. Teal types. Here we go. When we lose. You can see. So I will give it 3 out of 10. Because the vibe is there, but not the game is cool. I want coarseness. Then we have Super Cursed Flappy Bird. This is over. This is very, very over. Okay, we have the same thing I made. This is the wow. That is something you should do. Oh. Wow. This is not a joke. I am serious. This is a great game idea. This is just might be a like, okay, made for fun, but so cool. It's looking very cool. I like this. I'll give it a like and fave. That is cool. I'll give it 8 out of 10 because this needs appreciation. Then we have Cursed Flappy Bird remix by Parth12345. This just looks like mine. Let's see. These are smiling. That is pretty bad. You should remove this from the cursed game. This is not looking cursed. Even after I lose, I am winning actually. You can see here. I am still winning and I will not lose at all. This looks good. Cursed Flappy Bird remix. Yo, Pierre, you wanna come? Here we go. Let's see, we have this GIF playing here. We have red borderline, that is looking very perfect. Not at all bad. So I will give it 11 out of 10. And the last one here we have is Cursed Flappy Bird remix. Let's see. Okay. This is dangerous. Oh, wow. Great idea for a game. This needs appreciation. This is really hard work. I'll give this a 12 out of 10. This is cool. Do we have any more? No. So yeah, that's it for the video. If you don't know why I'm not uploading because 2022 is just 21 days after this and I have big plans for 2022. So you guys can just wait for that time. I've just made this video to tell this to you guys because community posts are checked by barely 100 people or something. And also I didn't want to make a announcement video that will be pretty boring. And also let's have some fun here. Hope you enjoyed. I will make more these types of videos if you guys like them. Like not this curse, but like this fun stuff and things on McQuinchin this channel, on McQuinchin 2 I'll post only live stream things. Actually, recorded videos will be posted on Makwenchen, this channel. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.